We're making plants. What are we making? We're making tomatoes.
I'm making Dragonoids.
No, you're not. You're making a plant. You're making chives, right, Salim?
No.
Autumn, what are you making?
I'm not making chives. That's Aaron. I'm making
Tomato. Oh, that's right. You're making oregano. You're making chives.
I'm making avocado.
What are you making? You're making a plant, right?
No, you don't.
Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. You guys are doing a great job. What a good job you're doing. You like what you're doing, Autumn? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm making plants.
You're making a plant, Ryan?
Yeah.
Good job. Very nice, guys. Very nice.